Come and fly away with me. 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 Come and fly away with me.
Nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game just to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. You left on her, now we mad because you let me low. Say fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. You still give me head if I had patience. When I want, I do what I want. She do what she want, I could run what she want. I shit off when you tie me off, you know I'm slow.
I don't. You got some high hopes. High hopes.
That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Ay, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that go. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the asshole. Oh, yeah, man. Never knew, no, I never knew. Yeah, you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. I got something that I could lend you. A piece of mind, baby, come and get a piece of mind. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, go bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stop? That's the feeling that I get when we locked up. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I speak your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try to tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical.
Hello, Sanmanani Ekaso. Welcome to my channel. My name is Pidilepo Shamtembu Olufemi, aka Mrs. Femi, aka Mrs. Jalove. Today is what day is it? It's a Saturday. We're on our way to Errands, I think it's called Errands. Yeah. We're on our way to Errands to catch a train. I don't know why my camera is focusing on the kids and not me. Yeah, so we're on our way to go on a train ride. Yes. Yo, the train ride is so complicated. Shame, like booking it is so stressful. And yeah, I can see you. It's so stressful. I saw it on TikTok. It looks very beautiful and fun. So we're going on an excursion. Are you happy? Are you happy? No, you're not happy, Papa. Why?
What do you want, Papa?
Yeah, so we're on our way. We just left Balito now. We are on our way to Njanga.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how great it is.
Up in your mouth, you speak good to me. I ain't built like you. Fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you. I don't. You got some high hope.
Young coach D, seats 39 to 42.
Okay.
Okay. Boarding on platform 1. They will be boarding at 1:45.
Okay, where's platform 1?
That's it.
The other side. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Ash, we don't have seats together.
Baby, from me crazy, I'll tell you about me.
I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game, used to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. You left on her, now we mad because you let me low. Say fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. Would you still give me head if I had patience? I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her my what she want. Wash it off when you tie me off, you know I'll be slow. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in direction. Just be without a thought.
to me. I ain't built like them. It gotta work for me. Just cause I haunt you don't mean I want you, I don't. You got some high hopes.
Baby, don't be mad, you know how great it is. Your nigga call us tasty. Baby, don't be mad, you know how great it is.
How are you, Papa?
Do you like this song? Hi. Take a picture. How cute is this dress that I got from my mom? She was wearing it the other day and I said, sis, I need it. How cute, guys. Oh, I love it. And I'm finally wearing my Versace. It's so nice. I like it. Hi, Mama. I can't believe it's not much as fun. Yes, sis, I need to lose weight. This ain't it. Guys, my wedding ring doesn't fit me anymore, so I have to wear the Shein ring. How embarrassing. I need to lose weight, honestly. Hi, Banza, McDonald's. Teponez. Chicken licking. Naga la malichi lab. Ay, ban. Ay, the KFC lab. What are you eating, Papa? What are you eating? What's this?
Pizza.
Yeah, pizza. What are you eating, Nana? KFC. That is eating McDonald's.
No, this chicken.
And I'm eating chicken licking.
Daddy?
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how great it is.
Don't open your mouth. You speak good to me. I ain't built like him. Fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes. High hopes, baby.
Good morning, my dolls. It's not even morning. Good day, my honeys. Good day. Okay, Mama. So today is a Saturday. Yo, it's so full. Today is a Saturday. I have a lot of things to do since schools are opening. Currently, we are at Walton's now to get stationery.
Stationery for
But
me.
for you,
For me.
yeah, is this not parking on no?
Oh, my
But the
stationery.
Shh. But the issue now is that we forgot the list, and it's 12:40. They close at 1, which means we have 20 minutes. So I have no idea what we're gonna do. I honestly don't know.
I did. Oh, that's not parking.
I will go. We can't even find
Daddy,
parking.
there's a car. Daddy, go pee. Daddy. Daddy. Open.
I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. For the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex from my you want.
Yo guys, it was a mission, but it is done. We managed to get a lady called Jordan. I think it was Jordan who helped us out. I'm so grateful to her. She helped us out. So just gave her the list, and then she just took everything for me that I needed, and then I went to pay. Guys, stationery CRBs 800. I don't know if you can see. 851 rand 26 cents. Umuntu yaka great R. Oh, guys, I shame. No, but it is what it is. Right now we are going. Where are we going to? Oh, right now we're going to town for Timmy to do his hair. Kumele what do you call this, yo guys? What do you call this? He's not going to twist my dreadlocks. Oh, he's going to lock. He's going to lock his dreadlocks because also any growth, and the growth like is in there cool, so he needs to lock my dreads. And then from there we're going to Gateway. I need to look for a birthday gift from my mom. My mom is turning 50 on Monday, so I need to go look for a birthday gift. After that, what else do I get? So I think we're going to do a bit of shopping because we might be going on a trip, so we need to do a bit of shopping. And yeah, I think that's it. I'll update you guys as we go if there's something else I'm doing, but for now, so yeah, let's vamos. Yeah, I am so sleepy, son. I am so sleepy. I'm waiting for Rotimi to finish getting his hair done, then we can go to Gateway. I'm so tired. I just remembered that I just remember that I didn't. You remember on the on a vlog sometime last year, I went to drop off my earrings at Wellington, and I never picked. I guess son, see, vlogging with the phone is not on. It'll be because I'm running out of space. But I was saying that last year I went to drop off Amakutami at Wellington. Because the stones on them, I say we don't. So I took them back. And I never went to pick them up. I think it's been two or 3 months. I've never called them. I've never checked. That was it. So today I'm remembering I never went to pick them up. So now Mosia Gateway, I'm gonna go past any Wellington and see if that's nasty. I'll go past any Wellington to see if they're there. And yeah. No. Can't tell you guys. But yeah, we'll chat. We'll chat, my darlings. We'll chat, my loves. You are not my darlings. You are not my darlings.
That's
I'm a darling. I am Dolly's darling.
But mommy.
Okay.
Mommy. Yeah.
And let's address the elephant in the room, which is my skin. You know what? Korean skincare is doing the most. It is definitely doing the most because, guys, I even forgot to go to get my beauty spot. Like, can I let beauty spot Ella? This one. Yin imagine? Yin imagine? Yin. How? Lila. And this one. And this one. I forgot. Like, my skin is skinning, baby. It's truly skinning now. I am so happy. I am so happy. That's it. That's all I wanted to say. All to my skin is skinning. Okay. Okay. Handsome, look at me, Papa.
Yeah, look at mommy.
Roro, do you like it? You like your hair? So nice. Yeah, go inside the car. Hey guys, trying to go to the shops in Ghana is a bad idea. Trust me, it's a bad idea. So we went to Gateway. It's getting dark. The sun injection. We went to Gateway. We went to Zara. We went to H&M and Ted Baker. Then I went to Wellington. When I got there, they're telling me, guys, it's been 2 or 3 months. And when I dropped off my earrings, they said it's going to take about 6 weeks. So it's way over 6 weeks. So I went there and they told me that no, they haven't received any communication from the head office about my earrings and whatnot. And the head office is closed. They haven't opened as yet. Basavalile for holidays. They're opening next week, I think. So my earrings are still not back. And they're saying that normally what they do is they replace it. They don't fix them. They just replace the whole entire thing. So he said on Monday he's going to send them an email and ask if he can order my replacement instead of the head office ordering it for them. That's going to be quicker if he orders it for me. So I said, cool, that's fine. And he's going to call me on Wednesday. He was so nice, guys. His name is Deshaun. D-A-S-H-E-N. Deshaun. Yeah, something like that. He was so nice, Shem. He was assisting me. I also got to get a gift for mom. Yeah, shame. I think out of all the times I've been to Daniel Wellington, this was the first time. I've never had any issues, never. I've had good service, but this time around I had amazing service. I don't know if maybe it's because uzama ukuvala sasikhala sokuthi amacama ngobuyi and whatnot, but he was amazing. His service was amazing. Shemon, like, he was top 2 and not 2, baby. So yeah, we at Konobia now at Woolworths. Angazi le ndoda ukuthi ifunani la, cause uthengile izinto. I didn't get to buy anything. I didn't find anything actually. I checked Zara. I couldn't find any dresses that I like. The ones I liked, I didn't have a size. And he managed to get a few outfits. I went to H&M, the same thing. So I didn't get not even one outfit. So I'll just have to figure out what I do if eventually we do go on a trip. I have to find a place where I can buy dresses. I wanted to get the boo-boo dress from who's this girl from Babe Beyond Borders? Yeah, I don't know, I'm forgetting her name. But her certified Jolofina, I wanted to get a dress, those boo-boo dresses from her, because she has a special of 2 dresses for 1,000 rand. But my only issue with that, I really want those dresses online. My issue is that when I asked her about delivery, she didn't answer me. Well, I asked her how much delivery is, if the special is still on, and will I get the dresses before Friday, because I need them for Friday. The part about delivery, she didn't answer me. So I figured if I order the dresses, I might not get them before Friday, and I need them for Friday. So for now, I won't be buying those dresses. Maybe later on I'll buy them, but for Friday I'll just look for a shop where I can get nice cute dresses that I can wear for my trip. So yeah, that's it, guys. We're gonna leave now. When my husband comes back, we're gonna leave and we're gonna go to town to pick up Temi, because we left her in town with a friend. We're gonna go pick them up. Her friend is coming over for a sleepover, so yeah. And I need to figure out what I'm gonna eat, because not even what I'm gonna eat, what I'm gonna cook for supper, because we didn't buy prawns. I'm supposed to make the prawn and chicken curry, because no rotendlini that we had and so dang. So I thought I have ingredients for the prawn and chicken curry. The only thing I don't have is the prawns, but everything else I have in the house. So I figured, let me just make that. But I'll hear from hubby if we're gonna go buy prawns now or not. If not, then I'll have to find something else to cook. But cooking gonna, I have to cook. I'm no choice, especially now that we have a visitor. I have to make something. So yeah, guys, let me go. And I'm so bummed I couldn't vlog properly. I couldn't vlog at all, shame a gateway, because of urotimi ufuna ukuphathwa, uyakhala, uyabona nje ubezela. It was his nap time, so simthatheka leso sikhathi cranky nje efuna ukulala. So nje I couldn't vlog at all. So yeah, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Hi my dolls, I am at Flower Center to get flowers for my mom. I just want to show you what flowers they have over here. Just flip this camera for you. These are gorgeous. How cute are these? So I took those and pink, like light pink roses. Let me show you. And these roses over here, I took those. So yeah, I am so late to get dolls. I'm just getting these flowers and then I am driving to Potchefstroom to surprise my mom. I hope she's gonna appreciate it because I've never done anything like this before. So yeah, so I am plugging you. If you need flowers in Durban, the flower center is right here. It's by Dawood in Durban. Don't say I didn't tell you. Yeah, I'm just waiting for the lady to finish doing my flowers and then I am leaving. Can you tell by my face that I'm not happy? I'm not happy at all. I'm late, but let me just do. So, when we were going through the flowers, I had asked the lady for prices. Like, okay, 1 second. Sorry about that. As I was saying, I had asked her for the prices, and the roses I chose were 200 rand for 20. And I chose this white thing that I showed you that was 150. So in total, that's 350. But I ended up paying 400 rand. And she was talking about something that she didn't make me pay. I don't know for what. But I still paid over the price that I was told, which was 350. I paid 400. Those flowers are ugly as fuck. She made them so tight that it doesn't make sense. When I get home, I need to find a way to loosen them up.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is.
Don't open your mouth, you speak good to me. I ain't built like him, fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. For me crazy, I'll tell you about me.
I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the football just to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. Left on me, now we mad because you let me low.
Hey guys, so I am finally in Potchefstroom. Angazi kanjani. Let me tell you, I don't know how I got here in 1 hour and 15 minutes. Well, 16 minutes. Because I was stuck in traffic twice. From Durban to Potchefstroom, it took me 1 hour, 16 minutes. Plus, benga kejimi, like I didn't even exceed 125. Like I was driving extremely slow. Azange nje ngudlule shem 125 ngabe ngiqamba manga. And normally when I come home I drive like 130, 140, 150 yabo. But today I was slow, but somehow like I'm so confused. I am so confused. So yeah, I managed to get the balloons, the flowers there, and the gift is in the boot, and the cake is in the boot as well. Let me go quickly. Hey, I'm worried about the cake. The ice, I'm sure, must have melted already. Because she got me boxes, one for the cake and some ice. I'm driving a bit far, so I was worried and she did say so she figured out that I see a bone whatnot. So unfortunately this was supposed to be a surprise, but unfortunately because of communication umase phumile emsebenzini baphume early today because it's the 15th. I think it's kusasa Wednesday, so baphume early. And so I had to tell her ukuthi I'm here ngoba I need to meet up with her, otherwise bengizohlala till ntambama because I know uzofika kwakhe ntambama, because I phoned her husband ngambuza wathi no baya la bayothenga i-form and they might go out for lunch abonto ezinjalo. So I figured might as well just tell her ngoba okuhlala ngekhaya ngiyomlinda uzofika ntambama, and I'm still driving back to Durban, mind you. So I already called her. I'm ngila boring. I already told her I'm here, so I'm gonna drive now. Right now I'm at South Coast Mall and I'm gonna drive to Oribe Plaza in Potchefstroom. So I'm going to Oribe Plaza now to meet up with them at Pick and Pay, because it's a Pick and Pay. Oh, I just need to write this a note this morning and a note. Let me do that quickly and go. Who's calling me now? Yeah, I'll chat to you guys later.
Ongeza pala ma.
Yay, umaga. Au bota hilo moya. Asa mesaka ke mungu shapa ngone. Gali. Akuma parking.
Ngithini kamina?
Uzohamba nje kakhulu ekancane. Now I'm letting zero.
This stop is this. Caesar?
Yeah.
This stop.
Hi my loves, so I'm leaving Potchefstroom now. It's I think after 8. Let me check. 8:17. I'm leaving Potchefstroom. I'm heading back to Durban. I just stopped at the garage because I need to put tire pressure and some engine oil, and then I can go. I had such a good day. My mom made lamb curry for me. So yeah, I had a good day. I'll chat to you guys probably tomorrow morning because it's late now. I don't think I'll be vlogging anymore. I'll chat to you guys tomorrow morning. Yeah, bye-bye. Bye, Entle. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Good morning, my honeys. Good morning. Yo, I'm so tired. But yeah, we just dropped off Utemi Skoleni. She was okay, but but when she saw a friend, will be right. So I'm hoping she's gonna have a good day. and have fun. So I came back and I took a shower. I just finished now. I need to film a video. I need to film the video today, and I have 2 more other campaigns that I'm doing that I need to film for, but I think for today I'll just do a vlog because honestly I'm tired. I am really exhausted. But I will be ending this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching till this point. I really love and appreciate your support. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Click the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a video, and press like. I just found out that when you press like, YouTube pushes the video for more people to see it. So please subscribe and like the video. So yeah, I have a PR unboxing to do. I have 3 PR packages that I need to unbox. So I am starting a new vlog. I'll start the new vlog with that, which I will do after I finish filming for Vloglam. So yeah, thank you so much, my loves, for watching. I love you so much, son. I will see you on the next video. Bye.
Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away.